one. Skunks don't ride scooters. Beavers don't skate. Frogs don't take cabs when they're out on a date.
What?
What? Here, I'll help you. You just hold it. I'll flip the pages.
Cows don't go dancing. Yaks don't ski. Yaks never ski. Hey!
And you won't.
And you won't find a honey bun baked by a bee. Fish don't eat bagels. Penguins don't teach. Oh, you'll never find.
And rabbits don't.
And rabbits don't sunbathe at your local beach. What?
Just close your eyes.
Draw
Draw.
up your mind.
You might be surprised.
Your mind. Like pirates and tutus. No, I am selling shoes and two-story houses constructed by News. In News painting pictures, in ducks riding bikes, and raccoons taking knapsacks on holiday hikes, in both fine airplanes and snails sailing flying. Tell me what you see. It's your turn, not mine.